What are different ways to measure integration success? How do we know that once this is done, it worked?
Most people will look at the financial results, but really it's usually the soft issues. It's, what kind of employee retention did you have? And actually on both sides, because there can be, you can really irritate the buyer's personnel too if they see that the seller's employees are getting a sweeter deal, they got upgraded, their benefits package, and now they're seeing less than average raises. So you can lose people on both sides after an acquisition, and so it's really important to look at that. Also, I always try and look at, are there new service offerings? Not just what they bought, but have they collaborated and now expanded either their products or their services as a result of working together. And I think financial results are like 3 or 4 on the list. And what I tell everybody, and I just told somebody this last week that had been working on a huge acquisition model, I said, tell me in a year if any of those economies of scale that have been baked into those projections ever materialize, because they often don't. So sometimes you might get some advertising breaks, or now you have a higher revenue, and so you get some cost reductions, but in most cases they're pie in the sky. They don't always materialize.